Hey, Quinn here with CINEGEARS. We got ourselves the Cine RC VR Cube gimbal card today. Gonna open it up and take a look inside. Yeah, on the inside of this big old box, we got the small box down here. You can tell it's the bottom because it's got the Velcro fixtures, making sure the car is nice and secure during shipping. So when you first open the box here, you'll be greeted by our controller box here. We got a bag with our tools and our charger here. Got the car in here. We have an all aluminum pole here included with 4 cables just for extra reinforcement here. You can screw them down on the side just to have everything nice and stable. We also have a water resistant nylon bag, and included in here is our charger. And we also have all the tools you'll need for any adjustments on this. And there's also 2 antennas which are new to the 2021 model, and they go right on over here for extended range. Thank you for watching our open box video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.